Hello everyone, good morning. Here I am again. I am Rose from Philippines. How are you everyone? My friends, my subscribers in YouTube, followers in here in Facebook. So I am here now. I want to show again my real me. I am not fake. I am here to advise to everyone. But if you don't believe in me, you can um, you can continue, okay, to if you believe on him. A lot of fake profiles here in social media. Just the only need is money from your pocket. So okay, so beware of this. Now I have blocked one person under Fasa name, because she commented in my video post, and then he said to my one of my friend that inbox me privately. Why inbox privately? Why what is the problem? Why inbox me privately? So I check, guys, his profile. He's a Nigerian. He used the code +23, so Nigeria. So I block him, and you can see the screenshot there. I have posted in my videos. New page, new page, that one. So be careful. It's not the Crown Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. You are chatting imposter of his name. Even me, I don't know also if I am chatting the real one, because if he come to meet me, well, I will say he's real. But if not, no, all are imposters here in Facebook. But anyway, I am not meet him here in Facebook, in Instagram, but that Instagram is already it's already why so very hard. Oh, that Instagram is already deleted after a few days, and we moved to talk in uh, WhatsApp, and after that in the other apps. So I want to know everything, if he's real or not. It's up to him. If he's not real, it's okay, no problem. So at least, guys, I know everything. And also I have received so much messages from uh, my friend here on Facebook from other country that she is the victim of this kind of problem. I later, if I have time, I make a video. I make a screen video record of that. But I need to cover his identity. Just I want to share that it's true. He is the victim of scam. Lucky she didn't send the not good comments to me, not good words. Otherwise, if she sending a bad comments, I will block her. But no, when I asked her if she is a victim, she said yes. You know, guys, 20,000 peso. It's a big money of that. That money is for her son lying in the hospital, in the ICU. But maybe because of promises of that crazy man, and later on, after he sending money, that man block her, man or woman. I'm sure one man or woman doing this, because so many women commented on my post, especially in YouTube. They are very angry to me, but it's okay. They said I am talking the fake Fasa. I don't know. Maybe I am the one. I am talking to them. So that is why they are saying like that one. But it's okay, no problem. I challenge him to I challenge him here if the real Fasa complain, I ruin the life of Fasa, and then he will complain in the police station in the country where I am now, because I don't want to meet in anywhere. Then we will know. But what she said, I am blackmailing. I am not blackmailing. I want to know the truth. In the country where I am now, everything was said. Every corner have CCTV, so you cannot do bad things here. Okay? Once calling the number, immediately the fire truck will come over and everything. Police. So don't try. So many people need to destroy each woman. So now I am here. I am here to block those, because I have feel them not easy to find money. I speak in English so that I can some of my followers can understand what I'm talking about. Even my English is not good. I'm very sorry, because I am not American. I am a Filipino woman working here in other country, and I try my best. What is the real about this Prince Hamdan Fasa name? Okay, so now I know, because I received a comment also. She asked me she want to talk to me privately, not in Messenger, but I don't trust. So I said, okay, we can talk a little while in Messenger, because she said she have a contact to the real Prince, but she don't want. If she's contacting the real Prince, why she want to talk to me? And she said she is in relationship to the person she have took for 4 years and a half, and she spent a lot of money for that man, and she want me to talk in my email ads, but I don't want to give my email ad. It's a blacklist. I don't want. Once they knows my email ad, multiple email ad I can receive. I know this kind of people. I know this trick, but no, I cannot. My email ad in Facebook, I hide it. I put it in the private. So just careful, guys. As I've said, just one Nigerian commented on my post. Say hi to me. Hi for what? He used the name of Fasa and the photo. He think he will get me, but no way. End of all of this. A lot of tricks. So what happened to Dubai now? The person I have talking, I told him, if you are Prince Hamdan Fasa, you need to order to stop all these imposters in social media, because so many women got hurt, especially victim of money. So I don't know. He said before that happened, maybe I think the first day of plus flood in Dubai. So he said, give me time. I told him, not the person who used your name to suffer this punishment from God or from Allah. I told him, the real photos or the real owner of the photos will suffer of this, because of the victims of these people very angry. I told him, I don't know if he's the real or not. I don't know. Let's see. So only one thing I want to advise to everyone, to be careful. Don't talk to any person under his name, or even using the not code 23, because code 23 is Nigeria and plus 27 is South Africa. You can search in Google what they used, the code number. But now they are clever. I am I watch, I check their profiles, but now some are not used the phone number, the code, because we can search the code in Google. Ask Google. Google will tell that this code is from Argentina or from everywhere. So this is me. This is what I have learned. Okay, I am not scared because I have experience too. Not only this time, but long time. Not only the photo of the Prince Hamdan Pasa, but the foreign also. They get also my friend. They are using the, not the Prince Hamdan Pasa. They take photos from a foreigner, and after that they said, "Oh, I am the owner of like this, so many blah blah blah," so that you can trust. After that, my friend make a call, but just only voice, and it's a video, but only the voice come out and his photo, so it's a scam. So those people who have fighting on me that like this like that, sorry, I know everything. Okay, because after my work I just play my phone. So now I am this one, the flower I have used now. I already, I'm going to throw away this one because it's already died. Now it's very hot here in the country where I am. Very hot. It's the weather is going to rain, but inside is very hot, high humidity. So I want to who watching me here now. I want to shout out. Oy, Romel Tipon-Tipon, shout out my friend from Abihaw, Villavaliti, Romel Tipon-Tipon. Magandang hapon, Romel Tipon-Tipon. Thank you so much for watching. Dito pa rin ako sa bansa na for how many years? Since 2010, so now it's 2024, so 14 years guys, I'm here in the country, working to support my family, and of course myself too. Loningning Simbolan, hi sis, good morning, thank you so much for always there for me, to support me, thank you so much, thank you, have a nice day and God bless. Anong oras na? Ano ba to? Sajad. See? Hello, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Next time, you need to your country, and then I shout out you for being a good friend of mine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Those a woman who was sending stars for me. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a nice day and God bless you. God will always guide you and give you a good health all the days and for the rest of life. So, Supnil Sardar, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Tatiana Gomez, hello, hi. How are you? I'm happy. Thank you so much for your support to me. Thank you so much, guys. Sino ba ito? So, I'm going to off now because I'm going to another work. So, have a nice day, guys, and God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Paano ba ito? Teka. I need to end now my live videos here. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day again. God bless. Bye-bye.